Caseco fans, we got the brand new iPhone XS Max here. Got the case-friendly screen control by Caseco. We're gonna put the glass on the phone because you always need a glass on your $1,500 phone. This little unboxing here, see what comes in the box. We got an instruction guide, we got the glass, and a cleaning kit. So first what we're gonna do is actually clean the device. So guys, we're just gonna put this on here and make sure it's all lined up perfectly. And just push right in the middle. And it does everything itself. So it absorbs right on the screen, you're good to go, don't have to bother about anything else. And it is on there. That easy, that fast. Key test to make sure this glass is 9H hardness. Does it see a mark? Let's try it with a knife, because that's just cool. Don't see any marks. Looks solid. Got like a little microfiber cloth. Clean the screen. And good as new. This screen printer is case friendly as well. Overall, good fit, easy to use. As a bonus, receive 10% off with all XS and XS Max accessories at casecoinc.com with promo code NEW iPhone. The link is below.